Welcome to Willow's Wheel to DIY. I'm Willow. Today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on a Duramax diesel. Let's get to it. Okay, this is my 2007 GMC Sierra Classic 2500 HD. It's still in really good condition. We got all the mats and everything for Miss B in there. It has a 6.6 liter Duramax LBZ motor in it. Hi, Miss B. I bought this truck brand new in 2007 with only 9 miles on it. As you can see now it has 52,125. Alright, we're going to start by removing the drain bolt. This is a 5/8 socket. We got our catch pan set up and ready. Just gonna let all that oil completely drain out. And wipe off our plug really good. This is one bad thing about the design of this, is that it drips right down onto the skid plate and then off. I always park it on a little bit of a hill, so the front end's higher than the back end, just so it runs off instead of running all into that skid plate. Alright, now that it's done draining, we're just going to wipe it up. Put the plug back in. What happened, B? Alright, so we're taking a look at my Haynes Duramax diesel engine repair manual, and it says our oil capacity 10 quarts, and it says that our drain plug bolt needs to be torqued to 62 foot-pounds. If you have a 13 millimeter head, it's 18. But ours is 60 millimeters, so 62 foot-pounds. So we got our torque wrench. I already set it to 62 pounds. So let's get into the truck and torque it down. Should be good. Alright, now we're going to remove our oil filter. I always use Canon filters. They use a 1-inch socket on the back of them. It always makes it a little easier to remove them. Alright, we're going to get our new filter ready to install. I'm just using a Canon HP 3003 filter. I'm using Royal Purple 15W40 full synthetic oil. And I just get a little bit of oil on my finger, rub it around this rubber seal. Just like that. Okay, now we're just going to wipe up the mating surface. Now we can screw on our new oil filter. You only really need to get these hand tight. As you can see, the Duramax holds a lot of oil, so make sure you have a pan that has a big enough capacity to hold at least 10 quarts of oil. Alright, now we can start filling it with oil. Alright, we're going to start by removing the fill cap. This is the engine oil fill cap. Put a funnel. Each of these are 1 gallon. There's 4 quarts in a gallon. So that means we need 2.5 gallons. And the bottles have these gallon marks on the sides. They have liters and quarts. So it's right about at 2 quarts. So that should be 10 gallons or 10 quarts. Alright, now we're gonna check the oil. Looks cool. Now we're going to start it up and get all the oils flowing into the oil filter and everything, and then we'll recheck the oil. Jumped in the truck and managed to lock the door on me, so good thing I have my spare set of keys. Oh, look who's locking doors now. Are you ready to go places? Well, you know you're guilty, huh? You know you're guilty for locking me out. Alright, we're going to check our oil again now. I always wipe it off the first time. So that looks a little low to me. I think we need to add some more. You can see on the back side. So I'm going to add about maybe 1/2 to 3/4 of a quart. That's about 1/2 a quart. Alright, now it looks full. I don't know if you can see it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I have some more work that I need to get done on the Duramax in the future, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching Willow's World of DIY. Until next time!